Let's talk about knacking after an argument with your husband. Somebody said it's toxic, but I don't think it is. Let's talk about knacking after an argument with your husband. Let's not mention you using probiotic. Makeup knacking is on another level, and I think it's not good to argue, but at times women will just be women. Yeah, women will just be women. Yeah, it's just see. Let's not. I don't know how to say it, but it's okay. It's okay. For you to take your knacking to the next level, listen. Maca helps your sperm production. Get it? Because men don't take supplements and you need it. Adam's desire just makes you sweeter. That's when they say, that woman not sweet, that woman not. Men, they sweet too. Take Adam's desire. You see, Tongra, you will not be a 2-minute man again. To be on another level with your woman, get her Eve's desire. For some of you also looking for fruit of womb, we have fertile support for both the man and the woman. How about somebody struggling with fibroid or restlessness or sleep, menopause? We have everything you need at naturesfieldng.com and can be delivered anywhere worldwide. Enter our DM now.